He was rejected 1,009 times. Then he changed the world. True story of Colonel Sanders. He was 65, broke, living in the backseat of his car, carrying nothing but a recipe. And a lifetime of failure. 1,009 people said no. They slammed the door in his face, laughed at his dream, told him he was too old, too late, too finished. But he had one thing no rejection could kill: belief in his recipe, in himself, in what still could be. Even at the edge of everything lost, he knocked on doors, he stood at gas stations, slept in his car, ate crackers, reheated chicken in borrowed kitchens. Most would have given up at rejection number 10, maybe number 50. But he kept going after 1,009 and because he only needed one yes. And when that yes finally came, the world tasted something different. And they didn't just taste the chicken. They tasted persistence, legacy, a dream deep fried in failure and served with fire. That man's name was Colonel Harlan Sanders, and the brand he built after 1,009 rejections is now called KFC, over 25,000 restaurants in more than 145 countries, because he didn't quit at 65. He started. You're not too late, you're not too old, and you haven't failed too many times. Sometimes your dream is waiting just past rejection number 1,009. Fuel your mind, touch your heart, awaken your drive. Subscribe for more true stories that move you.